Welcome to Supreme Law. We update regular videos to improve your knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The Indian Contract Act of 1872 defines the legal framework for contracts in India. Under this act, two important terms that are often used in contracts are indemnity and guarantee. Here's a detailed explanation of these two terms. Indemnity. Indemnity refers to a legal obligation to compensate for loss or damage incurred by another party. In other words, when one party agrees to indemnify another, they are promising to cover any losses or damages that may arise out of a specific event. For example, a person who takes out an insurance policy is indemnifying themselves against loss or damage. In the Indian Contract Act, Section 124 defines indemnity as a contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promisor himself, or by the conduct of any other person. An indemnity clause can be included in a contract to protect one party from financial loss if a specific event occurs. Guarantee. A guarantee is a promise made by one party to another party to be responsible for the fulfillment of a third party's obligation. In other words, a guarantee is a promise to pay or perform if the person responsible for the obligation fails to do so. For example, if a person takes out a loan, a guarantor may agree to pay off the loan if the borrower defaults on payments. In the Indian Contract Act, Section 126 defines guarantee as a contract to perform the promise, or discharge the liability, of a third person in case of his default. A guarantee can be given for any type of liability, such as a loan, rent, or goods received on credit. In summary, indemnity and guarantee are two different concepts in the Indian Contract Act. An indemnity is a promise to compensate for loss or damage incurred by another party, while a guarantee is a promise to fulfill the obligation of a third party in case of their default. Both these concepts are used in contracts to ensure that parties are protected against financial loss.